Good day, my people, good day. Today we are going to Waterfront Ocean Boulevard in the downtown area because my sister husband is here and he wants to basically see our neighborhood. So we're gonna basically show him downtown and all of that. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna go do today. So or this afternoon. So come on, let's go. So people, I'm waiting on my twin sister. See her. When you're ready?
Now, I'm ready now.
I want to put when I put in earring.
Yeah, I'm putting the earring, no problem.
No, I never said there's a problem.
I want to put in my earring. I want to put on my sneakers.
Sneakers you got waterfront? I slippers you have to wear.
On the socks. Socks gone.
And that's one thing about Roxanne people.
On the socks gone.
That's one thing about my twin sister. She's always extra. We're always late whenever we're supposed to go anywhere because she needs to do earring, edges,
the socks gone.
socks and sneakers and all these things when we're just going down the road because we live near to everywhere.
Just feel the socks gone.
Hola YouTube. Hola YouTube. Hola. Where are we going?
So we're going down to the mall. That's the Waterfront Mall. We will go to Palisades Stripper next time.
Hello.
That's my sister's husband.
Oh, they put more arts all over the place.
Yes.
Oh, after time we can carry the art walk. But so they can go into their clothes now because it's late. They can go in there and buy clothes and whatever.
So downtown is closed around 5 something. What would the 6 o'clock now?
Every day or just during the things?
So we are downtown now and I said we're going to the waterfront.
This is the courthouse where there's lots of lawyers.
My sister is being a narrator. She's telling Ed about everything. So this.
Pretty much the entire right here. You can buy this apartment complex or which black people live here. This is the place, Ocean 7. It's it's pretty. And this is where it wasn't hang out all the while. We like to come down here because it's pretty.
I haven't been down here. Well, me and Malik don't been here those time, no Malik?
Where would you
This
like
one
to
time come down here.
go? Up or down here?
Manic, you want to get on parking spot?
Yeah.
Anyway, so we walk in. What's that way? Those way.
Yeah, we can go look at the road. Malik, I thought you were going to parking lot.
No, I'm not parking. So you must pay for parking.
Here is free.
200 like race long time. Don't make all of that. What are you
$50. Something wrong.
What you wrong? Anyway, so we're at the mall downtown and we're in somewhere. They're both out there. Anyway, we want to go get smoothie especially they're across the street and it's also up the top.
No, I think you want the up.
Okay. Better. We're at the digital building at the mall and it's so dark. No, it is dark. I wouldn't put down flash. Go and walk here, see. All the light in the building, not that's all. Perfect. Yeah, baby. Me no know. by the canyon.
Darker, so.
That me I say. Me not like this.
Other things that I want to do.
Same things them and
So-
tourist things. Same things like gangster things.
Me,
Only a couple things that I want to do. Other than that, I don't care what we do. Just
so me and Kashin they go over the club. Boy.
that's all I ask.
Wait.
You know?
So we're walking the Emancipation Park. Based on young Kashim, the mother cared.
Fake roller coaster was the worst ride I've ever heard.
Fake roller coaster worse.
It was just a TV screen with a machine jumping up and down.
Oh. So we're at Emancipation Park now.
Oh, we are wider than Benji.
Yeah, so we're at the park, Emancipation Park, and yeah, Ed got a little bit of tour of Jamaica, as best as we possibly could give it to him, I can say. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you can move. Alright guys, so we're at Emancipation Park. As I said, there's nothing much happening. We're just out and about. Right. We want to see naked statue. Come. Oh, you want statue.
Oh, I didn't know they could be there.
Oh, they put it, and it's in Braille too. Yes, for blind people. Braille. Video me go ahead pose, go on.
It's not even Braille.
No. Feed it.
Feel it. It's in Braille.
Yeah, no, but that's not Braille.
Oh, and that's a Braille go.
Braille's
Barely is like some dots,
like
yeah.
dots, yeah.
Well, but for blind persons, you can
Yeah,
feel
it's
it.
dots.
No, but alright, never mind.
I know what
Okay.
you're saying.
When you're blind, you can feel it. You can feel it. Him say Braille and dots, and then down the dots. That's what I try to tell you. Him say dots are for blind people. Yeah, but when they can feel it in the words.
Really? You can feel the words, but alright.
That's so nice. I didn't know they did that. You can see me good? Good, good. So guys, now I learned. I haven't been here. Did I come here last year? Yes. But I didn't remember seeing this last year then. They there last year. Go squad. Alright, when I came here last year guys, I guess they put the Eros in the park and I did not see it. But now I know the Eros are in the park guys. Yes. So yeah. So even though we're going to be taking you guys down to Eros Park, we're not really sure if it's necessary because the Eros are already in this park. It's necessary to see them in every park. You're going to see them in every park. I did it. So Ed is learning a little bit about Jamaica and he's seen Eros and all of that. But now he's going to see naked people.
People
Oh, this one is a biracial one, George William Garden.
Hey, people are statues.
And naked statue people.
Somebody missed him?
Maybe.
Somebody missing on fight.
That's my girl, yeah? Wagwa, mama, nani? Ever, nani of the moon. This is she the person that we just like when it's. You gonna see her? See her, your nanny. See her, the Ed?
It's the order of the national heroes.
No, it said the Queen of Jamaica. No, she's the Queen of Jamaica. A joke?
You wonder where the head goes? There was no head.
Oh.
Just,
So now you know about the Queen of Jamaica, right, sir? Oh, you're laughing at him. A joke. I just shot national ear though. She maroon. The place that we saw on TV, where they were saying that the government is trying to destroy, that's her place. Come now, outside. And the most famous statue in Jamaica is this one. See them there?
yeah.
I look on that stiff city.
Yes.
You see our head shop stiff city, see there?
Yeah.
You see them
Can you
stiff.
climb it?
No, not for that.
You can't go touch it?
No, you can touch it when the water is on, but no water runs down. I think you're supposed to touch it.
No, you're
No,
not
I'm
allowed to.
not sure.
Whoa! But I know she have stiff titty.
And then she goes back.
And I bottom big. But now.
No, but him can't go up there. No.
Five for you are up. Quick, Ed. Grab it. Yay! Come down now, quick. Alright, good. Anyway, people, my battery's dying. So this is the end of this vlog right now. We're gonna go get some slushies and that's it. Ed did something amazing. He grabbed the statue titty. Yay! Later.
Wait,